Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily share screen with Google AI Studio. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. I have my Chrome over here and look up Google AI Studio. Click on this specific link, click on Get Started, and from here, you will have the options to choose a Google model. Just choose this real time with live API. Then click on Gemini 3.1. From here, you will notice a button, Share Screen. Click on this, acknowledge. This might take a few seconds to a minute. From here, you will have the option to choose which screen you would like to share. You can choose Chrome tab, window, or your entire screen if you have more than one monitor. For this, we will just choose a Chrome tab, and I'm going to choose this specific video I have loaded. Click on share. You can go back to Google AI Studio. From here, you can now begin or start asking anything. For example, give me a summary of the best practices and top brands mentioned in this video, and just hit enter or click on this button. Then AI Studio will analyze the video for you and provide you with a very comprehensive summary about your question. So from here, you can also choose to click on this play button if you would like to or prefer to listen to the model's response or answer for you. And from here, you can easily summarize everything that might not be very specific or not mentioned in the video. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.